read the sentence and then make the arrangement.
The butterfly is on the box.
Good.
So, box
Mm-hmm.
with the butterfly.
Good. And then see if you got it. You did. You read it and you understood it. Awesome. Those two are done. Okay, let's get you another one. Ooh, how about, oh, this will be fun. Can you read this one and understand what it says?
The fox is in front of the log.
Wow. And reveal. Yes, well done. Oh, flip it over and see if you can read this one.
The first time to put these back. Okay, the butterfly is under the diamond. Ooh.
Excellent.
It's
Wow.
pretty cool. It's like
That looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Got it.
And it looks the same. It looks just the same.
It looks exactly the same. You did a really good job reading it and understanding it.